Welcome to Fun with Science program. Sir Isaac Newton discovered three laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion deals with inertia. So inertia is a property of a body. It cannot change by itself. The inability to change by itself, that is called inertia. Now let us do one interesting experiment regarding the concept of inertia. What are the things required for the experiment? Here we have four materials. Plastic bottle with water, then a metal plate, this is a cardboard paper roll, this is an egg. These are the four materials required for our experiment. You take the plate and place it above the bottle. Then you place the paper roll just above the center of the bottle. You take the egg and keep the egg on the top of the paper roll. So this is the experimental setup. Now let us do the experiment. If you hit the plate in the horizontal direction, what will happen to the plate? What will happen to the paper roll? And what will happen to the egg? So this is the task. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hit. It's a very interesting. The paper roll and the plate moved in the horizontal direction away. But the egg straight away vertically dropped into water. Now let us discuss the reason for this. Hit the plate means you are giving some force. That means the force is applied in the horizontal direction. Because of the force, the plate and the paper roll traveled in the horizontal direction. What will happen to the egg? Egg stays on the top of the paper roll. Now, when the plate and the cardboard moves away and the egg stays on the top. Now gravity attracted and the egg straight vertically falls down in the water. So that's the observation of this experiment. Now what is the reason? You are giving force in the horizontal direction. So the body is moving in the horizontal direction, the direction of force. But the egg stay in the top of the paper roll. Now the gravity attracts. That is due to the law of inertia. If the body is at rest, the egg is at rest, so it has a tendency to continue in a state of rest. But the moment the support of the paper roll is removed, now the force of gravity acts on the egg. Because of that, it is traveling vertically downwards and dropped in the water. Inertia is the main concept for this experiment. What is inertia? It is a property. The body cannot change by its position or motion by itself. And it is defined by the first law of motion. Every body continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion unless it is compelled by an external force. So the egg continues in its state of rest until gravity acts on that. So that is why it is dropped in the water. So inertia is the main concept for this experiment. Thanks for watching.